Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about electronics and its use in sustainable development. My name is Pranav Jambur. I'm from RVCE Computer Science branch. AI and electronics go hand in hand. AI will act as the brain or the functioning of the system, and the actual implementation as a product can be brought forward using electronics. Coming to sustainable development and why we need these two major aspects. Sustainable development covers vast topics. It can include climate, it can include just the modern evolution of humans. But in this case, we are focusing on the agricultural aspect and how we can automate the agricultural aspect and make it more sustainable than it was. This project right here, or this idea, deals with how we can introduce bots or drones within the agricultural field, which will automate the process and help produce a crop or a variety of a crop of higher yield. We require swift precision tracking from both electronics and AI systems to carry this out. Why we need the concept of farming bot? Three major reasons. We need autonomous processes and operations. It has to be quite accurate and precise in its actions. And third, it should be based on a particular data set and which operations it works on. Autonomy ensures that there is no loss of human resources. Precision and accuracy ensures that the same work can be replicated as what the humans do. With the data-driven program, we can understand the geography of that place and predict what type of nutrients or other aspects the plant needs at that point. Coming to the overall use and how image recognition can be used. This here is a camera focused with an IR sensor. This was one of my ideas of a farm bot which will identify the patterns of the leaf and predict the disease it might have. For example, if there are yellow spots on the leaf, it shows that the plant is boron deficient. In this case, we are using image recognition to track the geography and how well the plant grows within a particular confined space. It also includes ML programs and how efficient it is. How it can be used in actual life. We have two major uses. One can be for pest identification, as I said regarding my project, and second, the crop quality assessment. How we can track the quality of the crop based on various aspects, based on the shape of the leaf, the shape of the fruit, the size, the color. All these are the major aspects which you can use and predict. Introduction to other sensors which you can use in farming. Farms require a proper temperature and a proper quality of soil so as to grow. We need to identify and make sure the AI trains in that space and is able to identify the type of environment the plant is suitable with and how it has to adapt to that particular spot and help the plant grow in a more efficient way. We have two sensors here which are quite helpful. One is temperature and humidity sensors. This one here is a IR temperature sensor which can be operated on the bot fitted on it and can measure the temperature at that point so as to give a report back to the user telling that it's an optimum temperature for plant growth. Second, regarding soil moisture. This here is a soil moisture meter. This can be dipped inside the soil level to measure both the moisture level and the pH of the soil using the stepper motor right here. Other sensors which you can use is the light sensor, which will show how much sunlight is getting received at that spot using this one right here, LDR. Other applications of sensor bots can be used. As of now, large-scale farming have used lots and lots of bots so as to automate the process. However, these fall vain as they require a lot of charging They can't be as dependent as humans, and thirdly, they require a lot of maintenance and have to be within a particular limit. That is, the farmer can't experiment with the type of area which it is not designed, which the system is not designed with. So we need precision irrigation and real-time monitoring. For real-time monitoring, we can use IoT-based processors like Raspberry Pi or Arduino, which will give real-time data to an app or a website. For precision irrigation, we need to track all the aspects. One such sensor here is the IR sensor, which will show us various aspects, the temperature, the distance of how two plants are growing. And the L298N, the motor driver, powers our bot, which will move around a particular path using image recognition and line tracing sensor. It can pass through the line, through the gap, traverse through the path, and identify and look out for every plant using the following techniques of image recognition and sensors. At the end, what are the benefits of using AI and farm bots? Firstly, it enhances productivity. Human resources aren't wasted, and human resources are quite important. We can automate the process by using these bots. Second, sustainable practices. By optimizing resource usage, we get a better yield, or possibly a better yield, by using less number of resources, and we can track the progress of the plant real time. Third, the operational efficiency. Based on how efficient it is with a particular yield. Suppose 100 kilograms of rice grown requires this much productivity of a bot. That ratio can be estimated and can be compared with human working with the same yield production. Using that, we can say that our bots or the bots integrated with AI and electronics are much needed in this field. So what are the future prospects and how we can scale this up? One is technological advancements. We need to spread awareness to all others, especially the large-scale farmers who can implement this and can automate the process much easily. Coming to small-scale farmers, in India, it's quite difficult as this might require a lot of monetary fund and requires a lot of maintenance. Second, global impact. By using this, we can literally automate the process, and by that we can track the on image recognition, the sensors. We can see how well it's sustaining and tackle challenges like food shortage or supporting which will goes hand in hand with the increasing population. Third, the continuous innovation. We need AI and agricultural technology in the modern life. When we have AI advancing so fast, we should not miss the chance of AI getting integrated in this way, and hence we can hope for a sustainable future by this idea. Thank you very much.